It's nice having them finally because other schools have had them for a while, so it'll be nice to be able to have, internet in all classes.
It's really cool. It's really nice to be able to get the experience of having our own laptops, like without our parents having to buy it, and getting to use it for school things and having all our stuff online in case we miss a day and stuff like that.
We don't have to pay for it. Our parents don't have to spend money that they need. And for some families that don't have money, it helps them a lot.
For those people who don't have internet at home, they finally can get something to do their homework on.
Well, I took virtual last year, and then I'm in the biomed course on campus through Tulsa Tech, so it's convenient, just have your own laptop with you.
I think it'll help all the classes because we'll use less paper for sure in all the classes, and everything will be in one spot.
And I heard you can print off them, which is pretty neat. You don't have to go to the library and then plug in your thumb drive, so yeah.
The laptops are going to be of such a help here in the CCC, and one of those reasons is because we won't have to go through this. We've been sitting here probably, 10 minutes, 7 minutes? 7 minutes waiting for these dinosaurs to load. But with those laptops, when a student comes in and has questions about Common App, about Naviance, they'll be able to open up right there in our office, and we can show them in their accounts instead of using our dummy accounts in our applications.